Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix RIDE 6 game controller not working or gamepad not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Before that, you have to connect your PC and controller, and after that here you have to expand display at human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. Once done, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, on the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If the issue continues, come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices. Here you have to remove your controller. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC and again click on settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else, and here you have to add your controller, and after that check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if any update is available. And after updating your Windows, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not in RIDE 6 game. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Steam and select your game and you will see if any update is available over here. As you can see, an update is there. You simply need to click on it, wait for some time until the game is updated, and after that check whether controller is working or not. If not, then you're suggested to enter big picture mode. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, and here you can see enter big picture mode option. Click on it and wait for some time. Now after that, you have to select the game and try to play it. If it's opening, well and good. You have to click on Steam option. After that, click on power, then select exit big picture mode. Now after this, check if the gamepad or controller not working issue is resolved or not. If not, you are suggested to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or simply go through the link I have already given in the description. Just you need to copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, click on the download option, and after that go below. From here you have to download the DS4 Windows tool. After downloading it, install it, and after that connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch RIDE 6 game once again and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.